let's see the definition of the new subtopic, that is position vector. Now what is position vector? We have this diagram in front of us and we have this definition. So in this video we are going to see only the definition of position vector. In the next video we will fall into much more detail. If a point O is fixed as origin, if I fix a point O as origin in space, so O, I have fixed a point as origin according to my convenience. O can be here also, it can be here also. It is just a fixed point in space. Then A is any point and then A is any point. It can be even B, C, D, anything. And P is this vector which is directed from O to A. Then OA vector is equal to position vector, which is in short PV. It is not a standard abbreviated form. I have used just for the sake of easiness. So OA vector is equal to position vector of A with respect to O. So OA vector is equal to what? It is nothing but equal to P vector, and it is read as the position vector of A with respect to O. Now there is a task. If I have O, B, and I'm sorry, this B shouldn't have an arrow over it. This is origin. Now how will you read this? So OB vector is equal to position vector of B vector with respect to O. That is accordingly how we read it. Similarly, if the origin is again O, and if I have here two things, one is your C, one is your E, this is your R vector, this is your Q vector. Now R vector, Q vector, it is a task that you have to name these. I assure you that it is the same manner. R vector would be what? Position vector of C with respect to O. Q vector would be what? Position vector of E with respect to O. So this video focused on the definition of position vector. In the next video, let's fall into more detail.